Hi, awesome people. Welcome to our Pets Academic channel. Today, I'm talking about the topic: Are black guinea pigs rare? If you are new to our Pets Academic channel, please subscribe. You can also like and comment on our videos so that we can get to know you better. Consider reading the full in-depth blog post I have written on this topic. You can find it by going to the link in the description. So, let's dive in. When it comes to guinea pig colors, black is one of the rarer shades. Solid black guinea pigs are not as common as some of the other varieties and can be difficult to find in pet stores. Are black guinea pigs rare? Black guinea pigs are not particularly rare, but they can be hard to find in some areas. It's always best to check with your local pet store or breeder first to see if they have any black guinea pigs on offer. If you're looking for a rarer type of black guinea pig, such as the Himalayan, you'll likely have to go through a breeder. In the full blog post I have written on my website, I have done hours of research and I have written much more details about the above topic and subtopics. The blog article is more than 1,000 words. And I dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about my research on this topic. See you inside the blog post. And let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day. And thank you for checking out petsacademic.com.